Hi Cybertruck fans, did you know that Avery Dennison has a ColorFlow series of vinyl wrap film? Take a look at Satin Frozen Ocean. This wrap is unlike anything else that's out there in that satin vinyl texture because Avery Dennison has taken what they call Frozen Ocean to a whole new level. As you can see, as I'm walking around the truck, the color of this wrap is shifting and changing from deep ocean blues to teals. It's got a little bit of metallic in it. At times it looks a little purple or a dark indigo blue. And then in the shade and in some areas, it might even look like a satin black. Now, that might also be because besides wrapping the whole truck in Satin Frozen Ocean, we also did something new called an A-pillar delete. And what we did is we wrapped the A-pillar of the Cybertruck in Avery Dennison satin black, just to give it a little bit of a contrast, and also more importantly to kind of give it that cyber silhouette kind of vibes. Customer asked for it, of course we obliged. What do you guys think? New colorway, something we've never done before. Avery Dennison, Satin Frozen Ocean, I like it. Now, let's talk about the wheels. This is something that we're dealing with every day now. Customers definitely want the stock 20-inch wheels that come with the Cybertruck off. And a perfect fit and affordable solution is our fully forged 20-inch CT7 wheels. These wheels are designed specifically for the Cybertruck. They're fully forged and they line up perfectly with the Goodyear tire that comes with the Cybertruck. So definitely within that theme, and it shows off the brake calipers. Now, the brake caliper on a Cybertruck is silver, unfinished, no logos, no writing. We went ahead and painted the calipers also in a deep kind of ocean vibe blue color. It matches very nicely with the Cybertruck. And for a nice little touch, right on the front of the caliper, we placed the Cybertruck logo in the Cybertruck font using white letters. Nice little touch. Speaking of little touches, this is a foundation series. And as you know, when you wrap a Cybertruck, it wraps right over your foundation series badging in the 3 locations, the front 2 fenders and the rear tailgate. We went ahead and recreated the foundation series badging using vinyl film and reapplied it in the exact location, in the front and in the rear. It's all in the details at T-sportline. Thank you so much for watching, Cybertruck fans. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.